In this video, we are going to test some antacids. We don't have stomach acid, so we are using diluted lemon juice, and you can see with our pH meter, we have a reading of about 2.64, and that's pretty acidic. We also have this test strips, and all we need to do is dip it in and match it up with our guide here, and we can see it is pretty acidic. It is about right somewhere between 2 and 3. It's not in the pink where the 1 would be, so it's somewhere between 2 and 3, and that matches with our device here. For our first test, we're going to take some Alka-Seltzer, and the package directions are to dissolve tablets in water. So we're going to do that. I'm going to dissolve them in a bit of water. And now that they're dissolved, we will add them to our lemon juice. Notice I'm stirring with a stir stick and not with my pH meter. And we brought our pH up to about almost 4.2, so that's quite a change. We'll test with our test strip as well. And you can see, yeah, that's about 4, just a little above 4. Our next test is the Eno. It's 1 package dissolved in water, so we'll do that again. And we will add it to our lemon juice. And we had a change. It's about 3.7 or so. We'll test with our test strip. And with the color match, you can see, yeah, it's somewhere between 3 and 4. Next, we have milk of magnesia. Make sure you read the package instructions. One use for this is an antacid, the other is a laxative. Make sure you get the dose right. So this calls for about 15 milliliters, and it's not going to fizz, it's a magnesium product, so we're just going to pour that in. And then gently mix with a stir stick. Okay, and we see our pH has come up to about 4.1, 4.2. Let's double check with our indicator strip. And yeah, somewhere between 4 and 5 there. And finally we have Tums. The recommended dose is 2 to 4 tablets, so we're going to grind up 4 tablets. We're not going to chew and spit these out, but we're going to use our mortar and pestle to reduce these to powder. And here we go. And you can see we've turned them into powder, and we'll add them to our lemon juice. And looks like this might take a bit of time to react, so we'll be right back. And looks like the foam has come down as much as it's going to. We've reached 4.22. Let's check our test strip. Right in there. And yeah, it looks like about that range, somewhere between 4 and 5. And there are our results. So you can see they're all pretty effective. They all raise the pH towards neutral.